Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine and we will be cooking easy peasy fried rice. First you need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then to that, add 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Now brown it ever so slightly because as you cook the rest of the ingredients, the garlic will continue to brown. Next, we have 1 cup of cooked chopped chicken. Now let's go ahead and add the star of the show, the 2 cups of rice. Let's say you don't have garlic on hand. Go ahead and chop up onions. Very forgiving, great way to clear up the fridge. And this fried rice eats like a meal. And next we have 1 cup of frozen vegetables. You can get this at your local grocery store. You know, the kind that are pre-packaged and that contain corn, carrots, and peas. Looks and smells delicious. And finally, we add the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And there you have it, easy peasy fried rice. Now go ahead and try this at home. This will be your go-to dish. Enjoy! I sure will.